Hey guys, I'm Jeff with your Embroidery Nerd, and today I'm going to give you the top 3 things I think you should do when you open up Pulse software. Let's go ahead and get started. Now, I have Pulse open, and the first thing that we want to do is we want to make sure that we are going to calibrate our screen. So to calibrate our screen, we're going to come up here to Tools, and we're going to go to Calibrate Screen, and that's going to bring us up a little box on the screen. Now, our job is to measure this box and enter in the values that we have. For this, I have a steel ruler, or you can use any ruler, and you're actually going to measure it on your screen. So I'm looking at 31 millimeters wide, and I'm not going to measure it vertically because when I type in 31 millimeters right there, you can see that it's going to scale it vertically as well. So I'm going to go ahead and hit OK. Now, this is really good for us when we want to look at a design at 1:1 size. So we're going to bring it up and we're going to zoom at 1:1. It'll actually show us the actual size of the design on the screen. So it's really important to calibrate your screen. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to look at the tool guide. The tool guide is located down here on the bottom right. Now this tool is really, really cool because if you are digitizing, I'm going to go ahead and grab a tool here and I'm going to start clicking buttons. As you can see, it's giving me the steps to use for this tool. So right now I can change my input mode with one of those keys, A, B, F, R, Q, and T. Enter can finish the segment, and close the segment, start a new path, backspace to previous. This is really good for when you're using a new tool and you're trying to figure out what you need to do next or how you need to end the object or what kind of input it is expecting. So that is very, very cool feature that's in Pulse. Now, to make sure that you have that, if you don't, you can go up here to View and go to Dockers and Toolbars, and you just make sure that the tool guide is selected. Now, the tool guide is tucked down here in the bottom right. I'm going to open that up, and we're going to have like our design properties or object properties. Let's just draw a quick little run stitch here. So you can see I've got my object properties right there, my design properties, and my tool guide. So I can go ahead and set my object properties separately, and then I can use the tool guide to make sure that everything gets there correctly. And then, of course, we have our sequence view up here at the right that we can bring out and pin. And generally, I keep those both pinned. Now, the third thing you're going to want to do when you start out here is you want to know how to open and save a file. So opening is pretty straightforward, and saving is pretty straightforward, and we'll just go over that right now. To open a file, I'm going to click on the Open folder right here. You can see I have a design ready, and I'll go ahead and open that design. Now, if I want to save this out in a machine format, I am going to go back up here, and I'm going to go to File, Save As. And right here I have my different file types, so I can go ahead and pick a machine file here that I want to save out to. So we'll just go to a Tajima DST file, go ahead and set that there, and hitting save, and now that file can be moved onto a USB drive and pulled over to the machine. These are the first 3 things I do when I install any digitizing software. I hope that you guys enjoyed learning about how to do them in Pulse. Please give us a like and subscribe if you like our channel content. And leave us a comment in the comment section if there's something you think I missed out on. Thank you guys, and we'll catch you next time.